So today we're going to be playing in a new wig from RPG Hair. You guys know I love this company. They send you free goodies, a brown wig cap, a little bit too dark for me, but it's better than a black wig cap. They send you your elastic for your to adjust your wig to make it super snatched, and they send you this really beautiful wig brush. I was trying it out and I actually really like it, and it has their logo at the bottom. Really nice. And then of course you have your wig, but below that there's also a little brochure, all kind of info in there. Yes. Now we're gonna go ahead and see what we have. So this is a really beautiful curly bob. The specifications that they sent to me is that this is a 14-inch bob. Be sure to check below in the description bar and I'll confirm that it's 14 because it may be, I think it's shorter, but we'll see. It's obviously lace, pre-parted. There's 1 comb adjustable straps in the back, 3 combs in the front, a nice amount of lace. I'm going to actually use the elastic they provided. So I'm going to clip up the hair I have in now, and I'm going to measure out how much of this elastic I'll need. I'll need less than half. So I measure around and I kind of pull it a little bit taut, cut what I think I need, and then I'll put it there and let it sit for a minute and see how it feels, to see if it feels too tight. And this is what it looks like when I put it on. It looks really small, but this is how my lace at the front is going to look, super snatched, and it's going to feel super secure, and more importantly, my kids won't be able to snatch my wig off. I cut the lace off that was in the back, and we put her on. So this is what she looks like on. Auntie Geraldine in the house. So let's go ahead and finesse her, but first let's take a couple scoops of guacamole. I am doing a meal prep and it is not going well, so I replaced one of my meals with a side of guacamole from Chipotle. The struggle is real. So going ahead and detangling this wig. It actually didn't need to be detangled. Really great for curly hair to be not tangled at all. On this side you can see I've already wet it down, and this is what it looks like with no product. Super duper beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and moisturize the other side with the good old H2O. If I didn't mention, this wig is 180% density. I picked up this serum from BioSoak. It's been on my list of oils to try for, hair products to try. And I found it at Target. You know how they have like small sample sizes of things now at the beginning of the hair aisles. So I went ahead and picked it up, and I actually really love it. Now I'm going to go ahead and further moisturize the hair with a little bit of my wet. Have that linked down below. My favorite styling product at the moment. This hair again is 180% density, and I love how full it is. I usually don't like a full bob, but in a sense for a curly bob, I think this is the perfect fullness. But you do have to go in sections and go ahead and moisturize, because if you moisturize on top, that product will not really get in between. So I'm just working the product in, redoing that parting. Something I've been lazy with is tweezing my parting lately. This one I should have tweezed it just a little bit to make it a little bit more neat. Right there I added a little bit of my foam wrap because I had a little bit of those little flyaways that you sometimes get, like the beards from the tracks kind of stick up. Just use a little bit of foam wrap and that solves that. I went ahead and separated the baby hair, and I went ahead and swooped it. Didn't tweeze or anything like that, just went with what is available on this wig. Feel free to tweeze, also feel free to bleach the knots. I did not. I'm going to add a little bit of powder in just a moment, and that worked just fine for me. So I do have this wig linked in the description bar, but sometimes, like months and months later, the website might change and the link might not work. So if this is a case for you, you can search for the tight curly Indian Remy hair bob. I believe the style number is BCT04. Hopefully that helps for the future. Love this hair. Again, it was not tangled or anything like that. Super beautiful. I have it linked down below. Make sure that you guys check it out, subscribe, like, tell me what videos you guys want to see from me next, Oh, we're not done. I thought we were done. So I picked up this palette from Morphe. I believe it's called the Oh Baby. Super nice palette because it has so many shades of brown. I thought it would be great to help me find the perfect shade of brown for my hairline. You guys know I can never get it perfect. And this one seems to be the best one from the palette. Still not exactly perfect, but in this camera frame it is really nice. Again, I should have tweezed the hair, but that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed.